guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already seen the last video, that was me actually getting delivery of my Longtube headers. It's Monday and we're gonna take the car in to get this installed on it. I think it's just gonna stay there overnight, and then I'll probably end up picking it up on Wednesday, if not maybe Tuesday. We'll see how it goes, but I won't be there for the installation, so I won't be able to film what actually is going on underneath the car. I could check and see if they can, have my camera and get 1 or 2 clips of them installing it. If not, that's totally fine. But if you guys haven't seen the headers, go watch the last video. Let me go ahead and load it into the trunk real quick. Oh, also, these are a set of new engine mounts and transmission mounts. I'm just gonna throw that in there while they're already, taking off the headers. It's just easier that way. I've had like these sitting for I don't know how long, but I just like to have parts just in case something goes bad, and I just have access to it right away and have it replaced in the car. That's actually something smart to do. But if you do go with engine mounts, definitely go with this company. I'm super excited, guys. I think after we get this installed, the next move will be to head to RaceIQ and get that stage 2 tune flashed on the car. Alright guys, so I just dropped it off. This is a 6 CLS63 over here. Whew, that thing is crazy. Alright guys, I'll pick this up once this is done, so I can't wait, I'm super excited. Logan's over here. What's up, dude? Oh, you did? Okay.
These two on both sides.
Oh wow. Okay.
And then he ended up welding the bungs on there for you to get those connected.
That looks cool. I was thinking different. I was thinking, well, when you said it, I was thinking it was like a kind of like a tube where this connects into it and then clamps onto it.
Yeah, it's not like that. We actually had to get it reduced because this is a bigger size than this size.
Yeah.
As you can see, like whoever worked on it previously, they just kind of like made like a nasty weld here.
Okay.
Just to make it fit.
Yeah.
So we didn't want to do that because that's not the right way to do it.
Yeah.
So we had to get the correct sizing to reduce it to the correct sizing to this size.
Okay.
And that's that here. Other than that, we did have to replace the manifold studs and the nuts on there.
On here,
yeah,
right?
A lot of times,
I think
almost every Mercedes, when you take the exhaust manifolds off, the bolt and the stud and the nut come off together.
Okay, I think there were
there weren't any in the box.
There weren't any? Wait, which ones were
they had
with the it looked like actual bolts and a screw?
Those were these right here.
Oh, that's what those are.
Yeah, there's 16 studs for the manifold. That it didn't come with any of that hardware.
They want you to reuse the factory original,
but the problem is they come off when you take it off. They literally come off like together, and then you can't reuse.
You can't reuse them.
Yeah.
That's what this gentleman tried doing, and his fell off.
It's the same thing.
Same thing. Same
Mercedes
thing.
is all the same. Like
is that a C32?
That's an E55.
Oh, E50. Okay, okay.
Yeah. And then obviously they didn't come with gaskets.
Yeah.
The exhaust manifold gaskets, so we replaced those as well. I got you new ones.
Okay, cool.
So those should be good there.
Well, this is all good stuff because I was gonna actually have you like make a list so like my subscribers would know exactly what they would need to get in case
you'll
like
have it on your invoice. It's
okay, cool.
Literally, they're just gonna need the exhaust studs and the bolts. Or I mean the studs and the nuts.
Okay.
The exhaust manifold gaskets and then the reducer.
Okay.
If they have stock piping.
Okay.
If they have something separate, then it's separate.
You guys heard that, right? If you go with the same company. Okay, cool.
So, that's pretty much it. Obviously, tune, you already know.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to get that tuned.
I have the rears just plugged in, but you're gonna have to cut them out.
Yeah. That's what we're zip tying up. The rear O2s. We don't want to just leave it unplugged all the way. So he actually plugged them in. That's why you see O2s. I'm sorry, Alex. You see that's why they're here. But we wanted to zip tie them away so that they're not just like dangling. You know?
Dangling. Okay.
So that's pretty much
so
it.
that would be fine, just it being there,
just
right? Okay.
Being out in the open is totally fine, especially because you have no cats anyway.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
That's pretty much it as far as that goes.
Okay. Cool. Cool.
But yeah.
I can't. Let me. Well, you guys can see the setup. Let me see if I can get a flashlight in here.
How are you?
I hope you guys can see it. Not a whole lot of light going on here. But yeah, guys, this is how it looks like. And fitment is like really, really perfect. It looks like there wasn't any fitment problems at all. This is looking good.
Check the AMG Mercedes.
I was just looking to ask.
Yeah.
I'm assuming this leak is probably my rear main seal, correct?
That's what it seems like.
Yeah, okay.
Typically on Transits, they usually leak from the gasket here. From
Yeah,
the can,
yeah.
But it's not up here, it's like up here.
Up there, yeah.
So it's going to be probably the rear main.
Yeah, because
from what it looks like right now.
Yeah, because I just changed the fluid and gasket and everything
that's why
on
this
here.
looks so clean. Versus like up here.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, cool. Cool.
But yeah.
Wow, this is looking good. So again, remind me, were you saying this is actually a 2.25 or a 2.5?
This was a 2.25.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting. I always thought it was a 2.5. Okay. I mean, yeah, okay, that makes sense. So I'm assuming they probably replaced it with a 3-inch.
Yeah, this is huge.
Yeah, that's a 3-inch.
That's huge.
Because I was doing some more research when you told me it was a 2.25, and it's useless to go 3-inch when your car doesn't make enough horsepower.
Yeah, it really doesn't. It's not going to be beneficial.
Beneficial.
To that
Okay.
extent.
Okay. Cool. Okay.
You're
So
kind of playing within a certain number.
I'm assuming going 2.25, 2.25, and 3. That's probably gonna switch up the sound a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, yes. Because you're getting different exhaust flow. So
Yeah.
It's like, you know, if you have a balloon and you like let the air out and you like kind of tighten it up, same thing.
Same thing.
But
yeah.
it's not going to be too different, realistically speaking. Even if you were to make it all 2.25, it will make it a little bit change.
Yeah.
Like a little bit the audible noise will be changed. It'll change a little bit.
A little bit. Yeah.
But not too crazy. So,
Okay. Okay.
But yeah.
I'm looking. Okay, so for some reason, is it just me or this looks smaller than this right here and this right here?
It is.
So this is probably like a 2.5 or a 3.
That's probably a 3.
That's probably a 3. Okay, so it goes from 3 all the way to probably
Right here.
after the secondary cats,
Yep.
then leading on. Okay.
And yeah, that's because this is the original. Right?
That's
this is
that's original.
from
Yeah.
Factory, and then
Yeah.
whatever happened back here is whatever they did.
Okay.
So
Yeah, because this is original. Then obviously the resonator was here, and then the muffler was back there. Let me show you guys the setup one more time. So obviously, no headers, no cats. So I run this down. So this is actually a 2.25, and goes into 3-inch. He said, all the way back till right here. Awesome.
all right.
I'm super excited. So everything is pretty much done.
Yeah, so it's done. I'm just gonna let him clean up all his stuff.
Okay.
And then he's gonna drop it and then pull it out for us.
Okay, sounds good. Oh, and these are the cats right here, guys. Wow. Cool. It's so crazy to see this up on the air.
Yeah.
A Hummer. It just looks so intense.
Yeah. No, it's massive.
What are you guys doing on this one?
We're adding mufflers to it because they were saying it's too loud in the neighborhood.
Oh.
So.
Wait, is it just a muffler delete, or
No,
he's got
we,
something else?
We did the full exhaust.
Oh, the full exhaust.
We built the whole exhaust all the way back.
Okay.
And it was loud.
It was loud.
It was very loud. And so he was like, I don't mind it, but my neighborhood does apparently.
Yeah.
We're adding 2 mufflers on it.
Okay. Yeah, that'll be. Yeah. And you've got the GTR here also. Man, that's sick. Can we check it out?
Yeah.
Guys, check out this GTR. What's going on with this one?
We actually just something was going on with the motor.
Oh, okay.
We actually reassembled everything.
Man,
New pistons, rods, stuff like that.
that's crazy. If you guys are in Swanee or just anywhere in the Atlanta area, definitely the auto shop. They will take care of you. And you said your name is Edward?
Edward, yes.
Yeah, Edward has been like amazing this whole process with me installing the headers. Like a rating 10 out of 10. But yeah, the auto shop, they've got a lot of great stuff going on here. All right, guys, first start without the cats. Oh my gosh, guys. Wow. Wow. Oh, that sounds mean. Holy. Wow. Guys, that's so sick. Actually, oh my gosh. That's crazy. I think that's really perfect. Not gonna lie, guys, I think that's perfect. Oh, that sounds so mean. That is crazy. Wow. Well, dude, it sounded really good. It sounded
not super crazy loud either.
Yeah.
So.
It sounds really good.
I'd recommend on this one next, just fix some oil leaks.
Okay.
I recommend valve covers, do spark plugs, and do some plug wires.
Spark plugs?
Yeah.
Okay, they're about. Yeah, I'm going stage 2. Replace them anyway.
Yeah, you want to get the NGK step holder.
Step holder, NGK step holder. Because what's in there right now? It's a Denso Platinum TT.
The OE replacement one for the Bosch one.
Yeah.
But this one, once you tune it, especially anything above like stage 1, you want to get a step holder plug.
Step holder plug. Okay. Is there what's the reason behind that?
It's just, they run colder.
Oh, they run colder? Okay.
The spark gap is already smaller from the step holder plug in factory. So let's say a factory is like 40 mil. Step holder comes like already at 30.
Okay.
So the smaller the spark gap, the better.
The better? Okay.
Otherwise, you're gonna have to throw like check engines all like this. The car's gonna be trying to find spark.
Gotcha. Okay. Well.
So anytime you start doing tuning, anytime you start modding, you gotta just like follow the procedures.
Follow the procedures, yeah. Okay. Is there anything else you notice other than just the valve?
That's the only thing I would really do maintenance-wise.
Okay.
You can do folder intakes. I think you already have aftermarket in filters.
Yeah, Canon.
Make sure you just either have it an extra set so you can swap them and then clean them out and then do that every like 12,000 miles.
Okay, every 12,000 miles. Okay. Sounds good. Because that stage 2 obviously is gonna, that additional horsepower you would need for for that, yeah.
The sound will change just slightly as the more you drive, obviously more as it breaks in.
Is it gonna tame down a little bit? Is that what it is, or it's just the sound is gonna change?
Nah, it's Alex, what would you say as it breaks in a little bit further? How would you say what like the changes would be? Like it won't be too crazy.
No, it's just the car adjusting.
Adjusting.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
There's just
Nothing crazy. It's just right now everything's fresh. Once it starts getting used to itself, it's gonna wear out.
Wear out. So would you say really not to get on it until I get a tune,
I mean,
or it
you
doesn't? You can't. Okay.
It's not gonna do anything.
It's not
but
gonna.
just don't redline it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Guys. Oh. Can't wait to drive it. We're just finishing up a few things, and then we'll be on our way. But she's looking really good. Yeah.